Hello to all of you. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Magandang gabi, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang tanghali. Kung nasaan man po kayong panig ng mundo. Okay. Welcome back na naman po sa ating YouTube channel. Okay. Kung kayo po ay bago pa lamang sa aking YouTube channel, huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe para palagi po kayong updated sa aking mga videos na i-upload. Okay. So, marami tayong maiba naman ng topic natin yung gabi. Bahag kasi nung mga nakaraang linggo. So, I have to decided na hindi dapat, kaya lang nakansira na yung iba, inapot na ng deadline, so wala na tayong magagawa. So for the meantime, pwede nating ituloy, kaya lang may limitation kasi nag-open na naman yung class. So I have no, hindi ko pwedeng pass, kaya't minsan pinapass ko na lang, kaya't gagawan ko ng paraan kung paano ito mababanggit sa inyo. Okay. Then, gagawa ako ng announcement to all of, para sa inyong kaalaman kung ano ba yung dapat ninyong malaman. So, maraming nagtatanong kung ilan ang government agencies dito sa Pilipinas. So, nasa 50 government agencies in the Philippines ang meron ang ating gobyerno. So, mamaya ibabanggit ko sa inyo, ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo kung ano ba yung mga ahensya na tumutulong at yung bawat ahensya ng gobyerno na dapat lamang kumikilos. Okay. So, again, bago natin to ipagpatuloy, aking mga minamahal na kababayan, kung kayo ay bago pa lamang sa aking YouTube channel, ako'y taos-pusong kumakatok sa inyong mga puso na paki-like and subscribe ang aking YouTube channel kung kayo ay bago pa lamang. Again, like and subscribe para palagi kayong updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko. Okay. Then, itong government agency sa Pilipinas, kailangan kong mabanggit sa inyo kung sino yung mga kalihim, yung mga wala pang kalihim sa iba't ibang departamento ng ahensya ng gobyerno. So, for the meantime, hindi ko mahirap tong isa-isahin. Kaya't minsan, nauurat ako pag pa isa-isa kong binabanggit. Kaya't minsan, pinagmimix ko na, bahala na si Batman, etc. Okay. So, mga minamahal kong kababayan, kodi ko na naman hawak ko. Walang iba kundi puro script lahat ng hawak ko. Okay. Mabilis lang naman to. Mga ahensya lang ng gobyerno yung babanggitin ko. 2 times kong babanggitin yung bawat mga ahensya ng gobyerno para malaman ninyo. Okay. So, wag na natin itong palampasin. Okay. Ito't aking papaliwanag sa inyo. Okay. Explanation or pagpapaliwanag. Again, explanation or pagpapaliwanag. Okay. Government agencies in the Philippines. Una sa ating listahan, ang Department of Trade and Industry o DTI. Department of Trade and Industry. Pangalawa, Office of the President of the Philippines. Office of the President of the Philippines. Department of Labor and Employment. Department of Labor and Employment. Pang-apat, Department of Finance. Department of Finance. DOJ, Department of Justice. Again, Department of Justice. Number 6, Department of Interior in Local Government. Department of Interior in Local Government. Department of Budget and Management. Department of Budget and Management. National Economic and Development Authority. National Economic and Development Authority on NEDA. Department of Health. DOH. Department of Health. Department of Energy. DOE. Department of Energy. Department of Agriculture. DA. Department of Agriculture. Department of National Defense. DND. Department of National Defense. Department of Tourism. DOT. Department of Tourism. Philippine National Police. PNP. Philippine National Police. Department of Foreign Affairs. Again, Department of Foreign Affairs. Department of Science and Technology. DOST. Department of Science and Technology. Department of Public Works and Highways. Department of Public Works and Highways. Department of Agrarian Reform. Department of Agrarian Reform. Department of Transportation. DOTR. Department of Transportation. DepEd. Department of Education. Again, Department of Education. Department of Migrant Workers. DMW. Department of Migrant Workers. Bureau of Immigration. Bureau of Immigration. Department of Environment and Natural Resources. Department of Environment and Natural Resources. National Security Council. National Security Council. Philippine Statistics Authority. PSA. Philippine Statistics Authority. Office of the Presidential Advisor on Peace. Office of the Presidential Advisor on Peace. Bases Conversion and Development Authority. Bases Conversion and Development Authority. Technical Education and Skills Development Authority. Again, Technical Education and Skills Development Authority. National Bureau of Investigation, NBI. National Bureau of Investigation. Philippine Overseas Employment Administration. Philippine Overseas Employment Administration. Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. BSP. Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Presidential Communications Group. Presidential Communications Group. Governance Commission for GOCS. Governance Commission for GOCS. Okay. Bureau of Corrections. Bureau of Corrections. Presidential Legislative Liaison Office. Presidential Legislative Liaison Office. Commission on Filipinos Overseas. Commission on Filipinos Overseas. Intellectual Property Office. Intellectual Property Office. National Telecommunications Commissions. National Telecommunications Commissions. Securities and Exchange Commission. Securities and Exchange Commission. Metropolitan Manila Development Authority, MMDA. Metropolitan Manila Development Authority. Department of Social Welfare and Development, DSWD. Department of Social Welfare and Development. Bureau of Internal Revenue, BIR. Bureau of Internal Revenue. Housing and Urban Development Coordinating Council. Housing and Urban Development Coordinating Council. National Anti-Poverty Commission. National Anti-Poverty Commission. National Intelligence Coordinating Agency. National Intelligence Coordinating Agency. 46. Commission on Higher Education. CHED. Commission on Higher Education. Mindanao Development Authority, MDA. Mindanao Development Authority. Office of the Vice President of the Philippines. Office of the Vice President of the Philippines, OVP. Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, PDEA. Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency. Dangerous Drugs Board. Again, Dangerous Drugs Board. Presidential Security Group, PSG. Presidential Security Group. Okay. Aking mga minamahal na kababayan, yang mga binanggit ko ay parte ng bawat ahensya ng gobyerno. Kaya't mamaya uulitin ko ulit bago ko i-end of an era ang government agencies in the Philippines. Ayokong may mababalitaan na pambabatikos mula sa inyong lahat. Imbis na mag-away-away, tayo na lang ay magtulong-tulong at magkaisa. At yun lamang ang hinihingi ng ating mahal na Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. At narinig niya ang ating isinisigaw, pagkakaisa, pagkakaisa, pagkakaisa. Ang pangarap ninyo ay pangarap ng ating gobyerno. Okay. So bago ko tapusin tong video na to, mga minamahal kong kababayan, kung kayo ay bago pa lamang sa aking YouTube channel, huwag kalilimutan na mag-like and subscribe para palagi po kayong updated sa akin pong mga videos na i-upload. Okay. So, again, dahil konting minuto na lang, babanggitin ko na sa inyo, one time is na lang, dahil 2 times kong binanggit yung bawat ahensya ng gobyerno sa inyo. Okay. Explanation or pagpapaliwanag. Again, explanation or pagpapaliwanag. Government agencies in the Philippines. Department of Trade and Industry. Office of the President of the Philippines. Department of Labor and Employment. Department of Finance. Department of Justice. Department of Interior and Local Government. Department of Budget and Management. National Economic and Development Authority. Department of Health. Department of Energy. Department of Agriculture. Department of National Defense. Department of Tourism. Philippine National Police. Department of Foreign Affairs. Department of Science and Technology. Department of Public Works and Highways. Department of Agrarian Reform. Department of Transportation. Department of Education. Department of Migrant Workers. Bureau of Immigration. Department of Environment and Natural Resources. National Security Council, Philippine Statistics Authority, Office of the Presidential Advisor on Peace, Bases Conversion and Development Authority, Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, National Bureau of Investigation, Philippine Overseas Employment Administration, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, Presidential Communications Group, Governance Commission of Forgox, Bureau of Corrections, Presidential Legislative Liaison Office, Commission on Filipinos Overseas, Intellectual Property Office, National Telecommunications Commissions, Securities and Exchange Commissions, Metropolitan Manila Development Authority, Department of Social Welfare and Development, Bureau of Internal Revenue, Housing and Urban Development Coordinating Council, National Anti-Poverty Commission, National Intelligence Coordinating Agency, Commission on Higher Education, Mindanao Development Authority, Office of the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, Dangerous Drugs Board, Presidential Security Group. Whew!
Yun lang ako sa kapatid.
At yun lamang po mga minamahal kong kababayan. Hindi pa ako pagod at lalong-lalong hindi pa ako paos. Okay. Sa mga ahensya ng aking binanggit, narinig ninyo sa una, 2 times kong binanggit. Sa pangalawa, 1 beses ko lang binanggit. So, yun lamang ang bawat ahensya ng gobyerno dito sa Pilipinas or government agencies in the Philippines. Okay. Kaya pinagpaplanuhan ng ating Pangulong Ferdinand Romualdez Bongbong Marcos Jr. na maging federal government ang ating ahensya ng bawat gobyerno. Okay. So hanggang dito na lamang tayo mga minamahal kong kababayan at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. At again, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat and maraming salamat. At mabuhay po kayong lahat. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Mabuhay ang Pilipino. Tayo po ay Pilipino. May isang diwa, may isang gawa. At sama-sama po tayong babangon sa bagong Pilipinas at walang maiiwan sa bagong Pilipinas. At again, maraming salamat at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. At paalam.